Okay, so we're going to do another tutorial, and this one is really the ins and outs of Google Classroom because I'm noticing that some of us were paying attention all school year when Miss Hanaya was using Google Classroom, and maybe some of us have forgot. So a few things I'm going to go over. If you look over here, if the item is gray and you click on it, look what it says next to it, turned in. If I click on another one where it's gray because it's a material. If I click here, it's gray and it's a material. And if I click here, it's gray because it was returned. If I click this one, it's blue. It's either missing or you haven't turned it in yet. So if, let's say, you finished watching the two videos and filling out the Google form, you need to click on View Assignment and mark it as done. If you don't mark it as done, I can't grade it and it's as if you didn't do it. Let's go back and look at another one. Go back to classwork. Okay, how about math? This is a material, that's why it's gray. This is a material, that's why it's gray. If I click on this, it was graded. That's why it's gray. Do you think this one was turned in? Let's see. Nope, it's assigned but not turned in. So the student either didn't turn it in on Pearson, which is probably the case, and if you don't turn it in on Pearson, it won't be considered as turned in. If you're not sure how to turn it in on Pearson, go watch the video that says how to turn in work on Pearson. All right, let's keep going. Digital reading log. It's assigned and you're not going to turn it in because you're constantly using it. Now, these two are blue. So let's look at March 24th first. You had to have filled out the Google form after reading Little Red Cap, and then you go to View Assignment and mark as done. You can even type a private comment to me and I can see it and write back to you. So please, please mark things as done once you've completed them. If you don't get credit for it. You also then don't get credit for attendance. Let's go to one more. So if we look here, this was graded. Now, it was done through Seesaw. So after you turn it in on Seesaw, you have to go to View Assignment and turn it in. This student turned it in, that's why it got graded. All right, if you have any more questions on this, you can go back to Ms. Hanaya's Do Now section, and you will see questions, comments, concerns, or just want to share with Ms. Hanaya. At any point, go in there, type in your question, your comment, your concern, or anything you want to ask me, and I will make sure to get in touch with you either through Google Hangout or on Class Dojo. Thanks, guys.